Hello. Have you ever crafted a different resume for various job applications? It's a repetitive and time consuming process, isn't it? What if you could automatically receive a personalized resume that matches the job you desired in just a few seconds? Isn't that great? Hello. My name is Saurabh. I'll be presenting a demo for a ResumeFlow paper and explaining its working. ResumeFlow is an LLM-enabled tool that takes the user work-related data, job posting, and provide us a job-specific customized resume for an individual user. Let's dive directly into the demo. To access tool, please follow this link. It will take you to this tool. Paste the job description of a job you wish to apply for. Then provide your work-related data, which could be in a JSON format, PDF format, or your previous resume. I'll be selecting my work-related data in JSON format. Lastly, you will need to provide LLM API key. Currently, we support Gemini Pro API and GPT-4 API. Let's select GPT-4. As you can see, the pipeline majorly works into three parts. Okay, it takes the user provided data and convert into unified master JSON data. To do that, it considers a system prompt and task instruction. Resume extractor prompt or system prompt could look like this. It takes some step input and provide the data into JSON schema, like into strict JSON schema. In case of a job detail extractor, it takes a system prompt and a task instruction. LLM provide the output into this format. As you can see, user data extracted job data. And it extracted the main point like title, keyword, duty, responsibility, requirement, qualification, preferred qualification, and company data. It started building a resume. It builds the resume section by section. It take each section data from user, get section specific system prompt, and LLM generate each section, which is related to job and aligned with the job. As you can see section here. This is a user related data, goes into LLM. It takes a consideration of a whole job detail and section specific prompt. It also consider system persona. In our case, it's look like this. It is basically effort to let LLM think as a resume builder and follow the domain knowledge of a resume writing. Section specific prompting, you can see as it is. Our resume has been generated. It has also generated the cover letter according to the job description user data. You can download from here. Now on to resume metrics. We had two kind of a resume metrics, which is overlap, coefficient, and cosine similarity between the two documents. We had a three scores. User personalization score. It basically it finds the matching between generated resume and user data. How much user's data has been captured into generated resume. Job alignment score is basically find the match between generated resume and a job description. How much job specific keywords context has been come into generated resume. And job match is basically between job description and a user provided data. We can go on with another example with another job description and user data. Let's check out for this job application. This time we will select of a different user. Previous resume. It will consider a resume. It will apply this prompt on a resume data, extract each section from provided resume and convert it into JSON. As you can see, the resume has many information about overall experience of user. But here, we have only identified is exactly what are the close requirement of a job description. According to that, fill up the work experience, education, and each section. User score, as you can see here. Let's try with a different kind of a job position, maybe data science. This time we will select different resume. Thank you.